was hit by a can, opened it, and out popped a genie.
3 wishes that we wished. Trust me, I'm a genie. Wish 1.
And on that first day, I got my very own cafe.
Ta-da! Wish 2.
That was cool. I got my own swimming pool. But then I dropped the magic can. It filled with sand, and the works got jammed.
Wish 3.
A total catastrophe. The genie raved and ranted, but no third wish was granted.
If 1 more wish comes true, then I'll be free from you. Trust me, I'm a genie.
I still say you're overreacting. It's only a cold.
Listen, Diego, when a genie gets a cold, it's the worst thing that can happen to him. When we sneeze, it's like a volcano going off.
Why is there a pepper pot in his nose?
Fancy leaving all this stuff here where someone could walk off with it. Hey, that someone could be me. Whoa!
Right, bath plugs, check. Dubious chemicals to make the loo smell like a rainforest, check.
Sonia, we need your very best cure for the sniffles, and we need it now.
Oh, really? Who's it for?
Just window shopping.
Well, I'd love to oblige, but there is no cure for the common cold, or the sniffles as you call it. I can sell you an overpriced lemon drink if you want, but if anybody found a proper cure, they'd be a scientific hero.
That's it! The camel who found the cure for the common cold. It's the perfect wish! Imagine it.
The winner of the Albert Einstein Prize for the Camel Scientist of the Century, Diego.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Yeah, that's what I want. I wish to discover a cure for the common cold and become a science hero.
You got it! I call upon the powers that be, grant this wish, and set me free!
What do we do with a giant microscope?
Look through it! What do you think? Oh. If this is where I came down... Aha! Hey, Diego! I know what it was.
Where are we, Ziggy?
Wait a minute.
Wasn't Joe looking up at the lens just before we fell in?
I think we're in Joe's nose, and these are Joe's nose hairs. Where? Right, where? Huh?
We are brave and we are bold.
We are brave and we are bold.
And we spread the common cold.
And we spread the common cold.
Who are they?
You heard him. They spread the common cold. They're cold germs. That's it. right there, pal. Secret Agent Ziggy and Diego from HQ.
Huh?
We're here to check you're doing things right.
Oh, yeah? So how come I never heard of you?
'Cause we're secret, bonehead. And salute when you meet an officer.
Sir! Yes, sir!
Now, show us how you spread the sniffles.
Number 4, present arms! The Mark 1 Snifflator, sir. Have pride and joy.
You, tell me what you know about it.
Sir, Sniffleators cannot fall into enemy hands, because if a scientist got his hands on one, there'd be a cure. That would mean the end of the common cold and our glorious civilization, sir!
You've trained her well. Consider yourself in line for promotion. Don't just stand there. Show me how you use it.
Where did they go?
It's gonna blow! Abandon nose!
You should put your hand over your mouth when you sneeze. Come with me and buy some tissues.
Looks like a throat job, sir. Okay, let's find the tonsils!
Hey, thanks for saving me back there.
Those with the territory, sir. Proud to be of service.
Hey, cool.
Help yourself to tissues, Joe. I need to have a word with Tony.
Wait for your chance, then grab the Sniffleator from that soldier.
I can't do that. She saved me life.
Company hop! Deploy Sniffleators!
Tony, come back here! Oh, gotcha!
Okay, you win. What's that?
Watch out, everybody!
Oh.
Don't worry, sir. I'm okay.
Where are we going?
We're getting out of here. With this.
Hey, stop! Come back with that Sniffleator!
Come on. We gotta get it to the lab. We'll take Larry's van.
There's no keys.
Oh, wait till I get my hands on Tony! Yeah!
We find the Sniffleator, and we get out of here. You, 2 million press-ups.
Sir, yes, sir!
Huh? You seen Sonia anywhere? You thieving slime ball! I ought to turn you into a dung beetle!
This feels wrong, Ziggy. I think we should give it back.
You're gonna be a scientific hero, and I'm gonna be free! Hey!
You again!
Come on, Diego. Say your goodbyes, and let's go!
You're a toast, buddy! Nobody takes my Sniffleator and lives to tell the tale!
You've got me all wrong. Here, I may be a simple camel, but there are lines in the sand my hooves will not cross.
Hi-yay!
What do you do with a Sniffleator? Where'd you get that?
Came with me delivery of feather dusters. Why?
Feather dusters? Put this one on Diego's account. Congratulations! You have passed the ultimate test to recover a Sniffleator from hostile territory. Huh? This, my friend, is the Sniffleator Mark II. Outwardly identical, but 10 times as powerful. It comes with your promotion to General. And to yours as Platoon Commander. Good work, men. As you were.
Number 4, take over.
Sir, yes, sir. Platoon, quick march. Left, right, left. I don't know what's going on here, but you owe me for a feather duster.
I do?
Mind you, I still don't understand why Tony left it for me to find in Larry's van.
What did you find in Larry's van?
This.
Huh?
First Tony took it, and then he just left it there on the front seat. I don't know what he was up to.
What? Wait!
Bye, sir. Thanks for everything.
Poor Ziggy. Seems he was telling the truth about Genie's catching colds.
How long's he been in quarantine now?
Oh, must be about a week. Such a shame.